Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today, I will talk about second linguistic acquisition from psycholinguistic perspective. Let's begin. Before continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rizka Gita. This is my profile. I'm a student of the English Education Department at IKIP PGRI Bojonegoro. Okay, for the first material, what is second linguistic acquisition? Second language acquisition, or SLI, is the process of learning a language after learning the first language. For example, Indonesian students learn English as a second language. Some people also learn Arabic, Japanese, Korean, or other language. A second language can be learned in school, university, language course, or thought daily activities. Learning a second language is not only about memorizing vocabulary and grammar, it also includes listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Psycholinguistic and SLI. Psycholinguistic is the study of how the mind and brain process language. It helps us understand how people learn, remember, understand, and use language. When learning a second language, the brain deciphers information, store new words, understand meaning, and produce sentences. For example, when a student hears a new English word, the brain processes the sound, remembers the meaning, and later uses the word in communication. This shows that language learning involves many mental processes. Main theories of SLI. Several theories explain how people learn second language. The first theory is the input hypothesis by Stephen Krashen. This theory explains that people learn a language when they receive language input that they can understand. For example, watching English videos, reading simple books, or listening to conversation. The second theory is the interaction hypothesis by Michel Long. This theory explains that communication with other people help language learning through interaction. Learners can ask questions, receive feedback, and improve their understanding. And the last theory is the output hypothesis by Meryl Swift. This theory explains that learners improve when they actively use the language through speaking and writing. This theory shows that understanding, interaction, and practice are all important in language learning. The next material is factors affecting SLI. There are several factors that influence second language learning. The first factor is age. Young learners often learn pronunciation more easily. The second factor is motivation. Learners who have strong motivation usually study harder and practice more often. The third factor is language exposure. The more language hear and use a language, the more they improve. The fourth factor is memory. Memory helps learners remember vocabulary, grammar, and expression. And the last factor is the learning environment. A positive and supportive environment can help learners feel comfortable and confident. All of these factors can influence the success of language learning. Next slide, daily life example. Second language acquisition can be seen in everyday life. For example, a student watches English videos on YouTube every day. This study learns new vocabulary, pronunciation, and expression from the video. The student may also listen to English songs, watch movies, read English on social media, and practice speaking with friends. Little by little, these activities help the student improve listening, speaking, reading, and vocabulary skills. This is a simple example of how a second language can be accurate through daily explore and practice. And the last, conclusion. Second language acquisition is the process of learning other language after the first language. Psycholinguistics helps explain how the brain learns and uses language. Several theories such as the input hypothesis, interactive hypothesis, and output hypothesis help us understand this process. Age, memories, memory, and learning environment are important factors in language learning. By practicing regularly and using the language in daily life, learners can improve their language skill and communicate more effectively. Okay, enough from my explain. And if you all have any question, you can comment my videos. Thank you for your watching. Bye.